So, you clicked on this video because you saw a bunch of yellow squiggly lines and saw the word teenager and wondered how on earth a teenager could make money with school full time drawing two squiggly lines. Well, I'd just like to say these two squiggly lines are absolutely rubbish. They are just some two random sign lines that I found in the tools section and they mean absolutely nothing. Trading with a strategy will not get you very far. Why? Year after year, markets change, okay? You're not going to have the same market conditions. Let's just pick this random pair. This is a daily chart. You see, for the past few years, there has been a bullish market. Price has been going up. But a few years ago, price was going down. Do you think that the same strategy would have worked here as it now has worked here? Well, spoiler alert, it wouldn't have. Drawing your sign lines here might have worked, but drawing your sign lines here would not have worked. Or maybe it will work. I'm not one to judge, I've never used them. But trading with a strategy won't save you. And this is what I have found trading as a teenager. So, I trade during school. I wake up, place my trades, and during lessons, I'm managing them, entering more, adding to trades, cutting losers short, doing all of that stuff during lessons, because I don't really have time to do it outside of school, and I have to go to school. But trading with a strategy would overcomplicate things so much in lessons, so I just stick to intuition. Now, what intuition is a feeling. Having a feeling that price is going to go somewhere, okay? If I was to tell you that this was a resistance level, as we have two touches here, and price was at this resistance level, where would your feeling be? Where would you feel price would go? Well, you would obviously feel that because price is at a resistance, price is most likely going to go down. Because you have a feeling that resistance is usually used to show the price is going to go down. Now, intuition is built over time. You only learn feelings, you only learn intuition from years of just staring at a market. Learning a 15-minute best time frame strategy, 90% win rate back-tested strategy on some trading guru's YouTube channel won't help you. Trading some 15-minute time frame, 5-minute liquidity gap, order flow, order block, market manipulation, smart money, sell side liquidity under these lows. If price taps into them, we're going to have a 97% win rate with a 2-pip stop loss that is actually lower than the spreads, so you get stopped out before you even enter the trade, and you have some sell side liquidity by fair value gap. No, none of this is necessary. You don't need any of this to trade profitably. All you need is a few years of experience of staring at the charts. That's all you need to do. And over these years of experience, you will start to develop a sense, a feeling of what is going to happen. Just like how you can feel that price is going to go down off of a resistance zone. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, I have been trading for 3 years, and 2 of those years I have been a profitable trader. Don't believe me? Look, if you guys go to my Discord server, which will be in the pinned comment or the description, or both if I'm not lazy enough, you can go to my trade setups, and I have posted every single entry I have ever done for years. My analysis, my entries, all of my charts, all my trades I've done, MetaTrader screenshots, all of my trades that I've done for so long, all of my trades I've posted for you guys to see live, watch how I trade, look at the analysis that I send, gold, GBP, USD, NASDAQ, everything I send here, I've been posting for years and years. And these aren't signals. I'm not selling you some gold signals, 100% win rate. I have about a 50% win rate. And I will show you these trades I take. This was a trade I took yesterday on NU. I sold because price was at a resistance level. Because I had a feeling it was going to go down. And it did go down. I also took a CAD JPY trade that I bought as a break and retest because I had a feeling it was going to go up. Don't trade with a strategy. Rules won't save you. A strategy cannot predict the market. You do not know what the market is going to do. And no support and resistance, 13-minute SMA, simple moving average, exponential moving average, crossover strategy won't save you, okay? My Discord server has nearly 200 members in it, and I've been growing it from the ground, and every day I post my trades for you guys to see live. Don't take my trades because you only know how you trade. Trading like me won't make you money because only me trades like me. You need to trade like you. So all you need to do by looking at these trades is just understand what is my feeling and try and encompass an idea of what your feeling is. So let's have a look at a trade I took ages ago, just to show you how my trade. Somewhere up here I took a UJ trade. UJ, this is the trade that I took. TP smashed earlier this month. So if I minimize this, you can, by the way, join this Discord in the link in description or the pinned comment. You can look all of my setups. It's free. People post their setups. Join the community. Make money. Mentorship calls. Let's go to our USD trade. And this is the trade that I took. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, it is quite a nice trade. But let's break down why I took this trade, okay? Not because I had 4 rules or conferences that I followed to the nose to do this. But no. Let's look at the daily, which is where I start. Looking at this, what do we see? We see that price was starting to go up. We had a form of a trend. High, we had a low, a high, low, and a higher high up there. So we had a start of an uptrend. We zoom in closer, we realize that price created this little resistance level on the right. Price then came up, retested this resistance, broke above the resistance, and came back down to retest. So on the daily, we were at a level which you guys would call support, a break and retest of an uptrend or support level. What does that make me think? That makes me think price is going to go up because I have a feeling that the price is going to continue this trend because of this break and retest. So I then move down to the 4 hour and I make sure that the 4 hour points in the same direction as the daily. I want to make sure everything aligns. Now, if you want to learn more about everything aligning, in the top right hand corner, I will link that video of making sure everything aligns because it is very important in making sure that you're a profitable trader. So we drop down to the 4 hour. What does the 4 hour show me? Well, before I took this trade, the 4 hour shows me a clear support level off this area here, these wicks, clear support area to the left that carries us out, and we see off of here, look at these wicks before I took the trade. That shows me rejection. Why? Because I know from my experience in the market, when candles wick like this, most likely you're going to go up. So I enter long, I put my stop loss just below these lows here of the wick. But before I do that, I drop down to the 1 hour time frame and make sure that shows me it's going in the same direction. And what does the 1 hour time frame show? 1 hour time frame shows very clearly we had a resistance level, turned to support, break and retest, pulled across here, and we see price couldn't break below this level. It was trying to, it wicked and wicked and wicked. So I was thinking, okay, it's going to go up. So I bought. Stop loss just below these lows here. Why? Because if price breaks those lows, it's most likely, using my intuition, going to start a downtrend. So that is why my stop loss was below this level. Thankfully, I didn't get stopped out by this move. It was just a deeper break and retest into this resistance here. And my stop loss was in the perfect place. Again, because of my intuition. And after that, price just sailed up, continued the uptrend, and I took profit at this resistance level, which was a big resistance level. So what do you learn from this? I don't trade with a strategy, okay? Because it's not necessary. I just trade with a feeling and I make sure everything aligns. Because a feeling is yours and only you will know how to trade a strategy. Using a 15-minute EMA, SMA crossover strategy won't predict the market. Nothing can predict the market. You don't know what's going to happen, okay? Even if price is at resistance, it could break above it and you could lose your sell. Nothing's 100%. So there's no point trying to use all these strategies to predict the market because you don't know what's going to happen. Keep things simple. Everyone is going to have a 50-50 win rate, okay? Some people might be really lucky. They might have a 55% win rate or a 60 win rate. But it will be around a 50% win rate. So there's no point trying to use all these strategies to predict the market. All you need to do is control risk. Make sure you win more on the winners than you lose on the losers. And that is how you be a profitable trader. Okay, if you look at my Discord, I have a lot of losses. I'm currently on a 4-loss streak, down 4R this week due to losing streak. I'm in this long in EJ. I had this trade, which was a loss after it pulled back during the spreads. I was asleep. This trade was a win, and this trade ended up being a loss. I got stopped out. This trade was very unfortunate, as I got stopped out. This trade was a win. But as you can see here, I lose a lot of trades because I don't predict the market. I'm a teenager who goes to school. I can't predict it. So all I do is make sure I lose less than I win. And it's that simple. So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video. I hope you guys can understand that you don't need a strategy. All you need is to trade with your own intuition and your own feeling, because a feeling will get you further than any crossover strategy, smart money, liquidity graph strategy you will ever do. So if you're interested in joining this Discord and looking at all my setups that I've posted for years and join me on my journey and join a lovely community of like-minded trainers, nearly at 200 members, please pinned comment or the description and you can join it. But anyway, I will see you guys next time. Peace.